Hello students. The another third most common calculi found in the dogs and cats is urate crystals. That is most common is ammonium urate, and the most common breed of the dogs that is affected with urate crystals is Dalmatian. The cases we found is 5 to 10%, and here we can see the degradation of the purines, which is the metabolism of protein and nucleic acid. It causes the urate crystals in these animals. Normally, the uric acid is converted into the allantoin in the liver with the help of uricase enzyme, and the allantoin is the soluble form, whereas the uric acid is the insoluble form. If the uric acid is present, it makes complexes with the cations, that is the ammonium ion, and forms the ammonium urate crystals. The etiology, it is found mostly in the lower urinary tract, and the nature is radiolucent, so they are slightly radio opaque, so they can be misinterpreted in case of radiography. So go for double contrast radiography or ultrasonography. It is found main in male as compared to female. And in Dalmatian, why it is found? Because a recessive autosomal genetic mutation in Dalmatian produces the uricase enzyme but cannot ensure the transport of the uric acid into the hepatocytes. So, the hyperuricosuriia condition occurs. Apart from the Dalmatian, the English Bulldogs and the Black Russian Terriers also suffer from the same problem. The another etiology might be the hepatic dysfunction, as we have learnt in the previous videos of the portosystemic shunt, that is PSS. Regarding the treatment of urate crystals, we go for dissolution, which may take about 4 months. And we fed the diet which is low in the protein, alkalinization of the urine, and administration of the xanthine oxidase inhibitor, that is the allopurinol, where he can see the process of the uric acid formation. At the 2 steps, xanthine oxidase enzyme is needed, and with the help of the allopurinol, this process is inhibited so that the uric acid doesn't form, and it is given at the dose rate of 15 mg per kg body weight BIT. Here we use the allopurinol only in combination with a low purine diet, as the excess purine precursor, that is, could increase the risk of xanthine stone formation. If the xanthine will present, it will cause the xanthine stone formation. Okay, first here we can see the ammonium urate crystals. These macroscopically look like this, and microscopically here we can see the yellow brown spherical shape of urate crystals. Okay, the image has been shared along with the video, go through that. Then also the allopurinol should not be used in portosystemic shunt patients because they also increase the xanthine stone formation. So use cautiously the allopurinol in animals. Then potassium citrate as alkalizing agent is given at the rate of 50 mg per kg body weight twice a day, and the patient with PSS, that is the portosystemic shunt, through the surgery correction of the shunt is done and the restoration of the adequate hepatic functions is achieved. And for the treatment, as in all of the stones, we increase the water intake. In case of cats, the portosystemic shunt is the possible cause of urate crystals, and the Siamese breed is most predisposed breed of the cat. For the treatment, ablation methods, low purine diet, slightly alkaline pH, and increased water intake is the prevention as well as the treatment methods for the urate crystals in cats. Thank you.